have a chance to take a look at today's session material?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, very good. So what is today's topic about?
Helping a friend move.
Very good. So have you been in such a situation before?
No, sir, I have never been because right now I'm too young.
Yes, you're too young. So
and have you been in this situation?
No, actually, I've also not been in such a situation. Okay, so let's pretend that you're now 20 years old, okay? Or rather, let's pretend you're 25 years old, and a friend of yours is shifting to Mumbai, and she's unaware of everything around the city. How will you make her familiar with the city of Mumbai? And which places will you take her to visit?
First thing that I will do first thing that I will let her visit the mall and the park. There are so many beautiful things here. So wherever she would like to visit, I will take her. If she want to visit the park or anywhere, so I will take her.
One thing, you said if she want to visit the park, you said, did you say the park?
Mm-hmm.
Which park? Yes. Which park are you talking about, Kritika? Every society. One second. Every society has its own park.
Has its own park.
Yeah. When you talk about, when you're saying something in singular, you say everything has his own park. Every society has its own park. And when you say all societies, then you say all societies have their own.
Okay, sir, I will say. Oh, so near my society, there is one park.
Yes.
It is very beautiful, but there are no fountains. First, there are all seesaw, slide, and swing, and there is one exercise area for adults.
Okay.
So that they can do exercise. And there is something else where people relax.
Okay.
Take some rest.
So all these parks are near your society, or they're inside your society?
No, only one park is near my society.
Okay. Very nice.
And the other two are somewhere else.
Okay. Okay. And you said you'll take her to the mall?
Yeah, there is a beautiful mall. My small sister has visited that mall.
Okay.
I don't know when did she visit that mall. In his ear, Papa, let's go to buy pencil. So my father said, you have plenty of pencil at home. Why are you asking? So then my sister said, I need new pencils. Those are old pencils. Everyone in my school has so beautiful pencils. So my sister alone went to the mall. She forgot to take me. Then the mall was, Papa, buy this or buy that.
Okay.
It's so beautiful.
Okay.
And sir, if your friend came to your house, which place would you take her?
Which place would I take her? I would also take her to a park. Yeah. There's a beautiful park here. And I would take her to a park, and maybe I would take her to a restaurant to eat food. Yeah. And
will you take her if you're from your office? If you got holiday, then you can go to the beach as well. You can
beach.
Go to the beach.
Yeah. Which beach?
Any beach. There are so many beach.
Okay. Okay, maybe I'll think about doing that also, Ritika.
Have you ever visited any beach?
Oh yes, of course. I have Jew Beach. There's Jew Beach. Have you been to Jew Beach?
No, sir. I am I have never visited, but I want to go one day. I will go, but not right now. When my holidays.
Okay.
Today is Sunday, so only today I have holiday, and yesterday also I had.
Okay.
So yesterday, I wanted to go to park, but my father said we'll go tomorrow. He is every day saying that to me. So I say, when will that come? When will that tomorrow come? And when my mother asked him to do exercise, what he will do? He will say, okay. He will do only little exercise. He will say, oh, I'm so tired now. He will have some rest. And my sister will say, do exercise. He will say, I will do it tomorrow. Then now she will again say, Papa, do exercise. Then she will say, when that tomorrow will come, Papa? You are always saying that.
Okay. Okay. So now let's go back to this situation where your friend has come. She chooses to live. If she chooses to live in an apartment.
In an apartment.
Yes. Okay. And then what would you do? What will you do?
The first thing that I will do, I will let her know that place.
Okay.
Then if she has a car, so that I will tell her everything about Mumbai. But if her car has run out of petrol,
you will take her to the petrol pump?
Yes, I will tell her the way as well. She must know everything about Mumbai.
Yes. Okay.
And sir, what would you do?
Yeah, I will do exactly what you said. I will ask her where she's staying. I will either drive her where she needs to go.
Or you can tell her the way.
Yeah. Yes, I will tell her the directions to go. Yes. Very good. And which places would you suggest for him or her to eat? Let's say your friend wants to eat food.
So many restaurants here, I don't know any restaurant's name because I have never visited. Only one restaurant I visited, I forgot the name.
You have forgotten the name?
I don't know when did I visit. When my sister was, when my father went to buy some vegetable, I don't know when. Okay. So then my sister went, at night, so she brings so many delicious food from the restaurant for me and my mother. Okay. So but I didn't like anything. I like Copper Chimney. I would take her there. And there's also China Gate. I like China Gate also. Do you eat what is it? Chinese food? Yeah, I eat Chinese food. Yeah. What do we call it? Chinese bhel that I eat. Okay. Favorite, and it's very spicy. Sometimes I don't. Even my sister don't. See, my sister always call it jalebi. And she like it because it's spicy and it's good. But the rest, it is made of, what we say, cabbage or pumpkin, cabbage and namkeen. So my father like that. So, but my mother say you can't have it because there is too much namkeen and you can't eat that much oil food. So only to us, we can eat as much as we want. Okay, so you say, you say that it is too much namkeen. You don't say there's too much namkeen. You say it is too salty. It's too salty. Salty, and it is too oily. Not that much salty, sir. It's not salty. A little salty. It is a little salty. Okay, and is it very oily? Yeah, it's very oily. Okay. Okay, so you don't say it's namkeen. Have you ever eaten it? What eaten dosa? Or what are you referring to? Chinese bhel. Chinese bhel. Yes, I have eaten Chinese bhel. So do you like it? Yes or no? Yes, my sister, I like it. Yes, my sister don't like it. Your sister doesn't like it? Yes, she doesn't. She doesn't, or I don't. Okay, you like it, but she doesn't like it. I like it, but sometimes I don't. Okay, sometimes you like it, sometimes you don't. Yes, because when I am having a fever, so I can't eat it.
Okay.
And if my sister is having if my sister is having a fever, what she will do? She will say to mom, Mama, I want to eat this biscuit. Mommy, I want to eat this, that. So mother have to purchase it.
Okay. And where would you take this friend of yours for shopping?
Shopping, there is so many. Oh, I will take her to the mall, because in the mall you can buy slipper, clothes, everything, and even this hair belt.
Which mall will you take her to?
D-Mart.
Any famous attraction in Mumbai you will take her to? Like, will you take her to Juhu Beach? Will you take her to Gateway of India?
Yeah. Oh, Gateway of India. I don't know the direction. Even in my test paper, my teacher was asking, you have to answer where is the India Gate located. So everyone crossed it. They don't want to solve it because it's very left, right, left, right. It's very hard to write it left, right.
Okay.
I will take her to the zoo because I like zoo. There are
You
so
will
many
take her to the zoo?
animals.
You will take her to
And
the
the
zoo?
mall and to the beach. If I
Okay.
have holiday, I can take her to the beach.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. And how about outside Mumbai? Have you been to Lonavala?
No, sir, but I have visited my grandfather's house where the airport is located, and she will feel like she's far away from her family. I will make her feel comfortable.
Oh, yes, very nice.
And when we come to the first place, if we don't know this place, we have to bring our things and put this here and decorate our house. So I will help her with that.
Very good.
I will invite her for lunch, breakfast, and dinner.
Oh, Ritika, you're excellent. You're
And sir, what would you do?
I would do just what you have said. You're absolutely excellent. I would follow whatever you said. Yes. Very good. I'm really impressed. And